When calibrating a pH meter, you must first remove it from the holding container, set it up with an electronic reader, and rinse it with deionized water. Then, place the tip into a prepared pH 7 buffer. While holding it there, select Sensor, then Calibrate on the screen. After the pH stabilizes, set 7.0 as the first point, and choose Keep. Remove the meter from the pH 7 buffer, rinse it thoroughly with deionized water, and then place it in a prepared pH 4 buffer. Again, wait for it to stabilize, then set 4.0 as the second point. Choose Keep and select OK. Rinse the meter again with deionized water, and the meter should be calibrated. Here is another example of how to properly calibrate a pH meter. The difference between a strong and weak acid is that when put into an aqueous solution, strong acids dissociate completely, whereas weak acids only partially dissociate. This means that every single molecule of a strong acid will lose a proton, whereas with weak acids, only approximately 5% of the molecules in the solution will lose a proton. Eventually, an equilibrium is reached when the rate of proton dissociation is equal to the rate of proton reassociation with the conjugate base created by dissociation. The dissociation of an acid is generally an exothermic process, so adding heat to the solution would reverse that process, back towards the original acid. Thus, the effect of any strong or weak acid can be minimized by a proper application of heat. Determining the pH of an unknown solution, start off by rinsing the meter off with deionized water and then place it in the unknown solution. After a certain amount of time, the meter should stabilize on a certain pH, that is the pH of the solution. After measuring the pH of one solution, rinse the meter with deionized water before moving on to the next solution. A buffer solution is a solution containing either a weak acid and its conjugate base, or a weak base and its conjugate acid. Buffer solutions work by either acting as a base and accepting protons to negate the effects of an acid, or acting as an acid and donating protons to negate the effects of a base. In either case, the pH of the buffer solution doesn't change near as much as it would if it were pure water. Here we see another example of how to determine the pH of an unknown solution.